little bunny so white. In the meadow, under moonlight bright. Wiggle your nose, twitch your ear, come along, the fun is near. Little bunny hops so high, over daisies touching the sky. Fluffy tail like a cotton ball, jumping free, he loves it all. In the garden, munching greens, carrots crisp, the best he's seen. Ears perk up at a friendly call, Bunny's world is big and small. Hop, hop, hop along the way, Bunny plays from night till day. Twitch and jump, oh what a sight, little bunny pure delight. Through the burrow safe and snug, dreams of meadows in a hug. Friends the squirrels, birds that sing, nature's dance in springtime's ring. Chasing butterflies in flight, colors swirling, pure delight. Paws so soft on dewy grass, moments sweet that quickly pass. Hop, hop, hop along the way, Bunny plays from night till day. Twitch and jump, oh what a sight, little bunny pure delight. When the rain begins to pour, Bunny hides but wants some more. Puddles splash in joyful game, washing clean his fuzzy frame. Under stars a quiet leap, whisper secrets while asleep. Moonbeam paths where shadows play, guiding home at end of day. Hop, hop, hop along the way, Bunny plays from night till day. Twitch and jump, oh what a sight, little bunny pure delight. With his family big and small, sharing warmth through winter's call. Snowy blankets soft and deep, Bunny dreams of springtime's leap. Out in fields where wildflowers grow, Bunny dances to and fro. Wind and fur, a gentle breeze, heart so light, mind at ease. Hop, hop, hop along the way, Bunny plays from night till day. Twitch and jump, oh what a sight, little bunny pure delight. Lessons learned from every bound, joy in silence, joy in sound. Kindness shared with one and all, Bunny's wisdom great and small. As the sun sets golden low, Bunny rests in peaceful glow. Tomorrow brings more hops and new adventures waiting, tried and true. Hop, hop, hop along the way, Bunny plays from night till day. Twitch and jump, oh what a sight, little bunny pure delight. So hop with Bunny, feel the cheer in every jump, the world is near. Little one, now close your eyes, dream of hops neath starry skies.